Well, I'm yet again at Hole-in-the-Wall Beach, my favorite place to come because I'm a glutton for punishment. I always get wet here and I am wet. But as you can see, the conditions are flipping sweet tonight. I haven't quite decided on my composition yet because there's too much cool stuff happening all the way around me. It's time to get wet again. You can see there's this great chasm right here. It's so cool. Great clouds. Let me pan around over here. Classic fin, classic sea stack. I don't even know what to shoot. There's some sunbeams and stuff going on over there. I don't know. Maybe I'll go over there. There's this big like reflection happening right here. I might do a long exposure there. It's so hard to decide. This place is great. Anyway, I'll just shut up now and take some more photos.